Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Isn't it the best feeling when you get into your car and it's all nice and clean? Well, I was having a huge problem with that. Maybe you can relate. I've got kids, we travel a lot. It just seems like life in general, you get a bunch of dirt in your car. Well, that's why I got this VARSK 4-in-1 car vacuum. It has not only met but exceeded all of what I was looking for. I chose this one because of all its features, but it didn't hurt that it was pink. I mean, come on, gotta love that. It plugs right into your cigarette lighter outlet and you're ready to go. It comes with multiple attachments. You've got a brush, extension hose, and even a crevice tube. This vacuum makes it incredibly easy to get dirt from every and any angle. I was initially concerned that the cord wouldn't be long enough to reach the back of my van, so I was pleasantly surprised that it did reach way back there. And check this out, suction works good. It really gets the job done. It even has a flashlight, which makes it easier to see what I need to clean. It's a score for me when a product is multifunctional, so the fact that this is also an air compressor is fantastic. The carrying case keeps everything together nice and compact and takes up hardly any space. If your busy life is leaving trails of french fries, dirt, and sand in your car, you will need this in your life. I think you'll find it as useful as I do, but that's just my point of view.